Ja, klopt dat. Ja, dit is mooi. Ja, dat is wel eerlijk. Ja, maar dit was goed. Hello, good afternoon. Please, this is your station. Yes, welcome here at our farm. My name is Rona, and that is Jan, my father. And we are going to make cheese with you this afternoon. I hope you still have the energy to, it's going to be an active workshop, because you're going to have to do, well, some work. What we do now is start the whole process, and it will take us only a few minutes. And then we have a break, we let the magic happen in the balls, and then we can later on continue with the cheese making. Okay. So what we have here is just straight milk, straight from the cows. It only has been preheated a little bit. So it is now about 92 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the ideal temperature to make cheese from milk. But we have not been pasteurizing the milk, we have not been skimming the milk, so we are making raw milk, full fat Gouda. You say Gouda, we say Gouda. We'll make two small sizes, two small baby pieces. And well, in order to do that, we have to add two ingredients. Does anybody have an idea what those ingredients could be?
Rennet.
Very good. Rennet, yes.
Salt.
Salt is very important, but only for tomorrow. But essential in cheese making.
Some kind of living microorganism.
Very good. Yeah, that's
bacteria.
Bacteria, and that's in the pot. And my father, he knows how much he wants to use. It's his own mixture. Now these are lactic acid bacteria. And they are called starter, and they start the whole process and they give the milk a fresh taste, and they also help in the conservation of the cheese because of the acidity of the product. And oh, there he is. Ja, je mag de zuursel erin doen. And well, it helps in the conservation because of the acidity, and it's comparable to yogurt or buttermilk. Sometimes when we have a last-minute booked workshop, we don't have starter because that's something that you have to prepare. We buy buttermilk and we use buttermilk. And these bacteria are specialized and optimized for cheese production. And as you can see, it's not very precise. It's just a scoop. And the second ingredient is the rennet. And do you also know what it is? What it comes from?
No, I don't know where it comes from.
Anybody?
No.
It's an enzyme that comes from a calf's stomach. Oh. And it's a part of the digestion process of the calf. And what is happening in these bowls when we add the rennet is also what is happening inside the stomach of a young calf when it has been drinking milk. So the enzyme will change the milk very quickly. And that's also what's happening in the stomach of a calf. In order to get the rennet, you have to slaughter the calf and take the stomach out. So when you use this rennet, it is not a vegetarian cheese. But nowadays there are more and more also herbal rennet available, and from a good quality, better quality than before. So you can also make a vegetarian cheese if you use the herbal rennet that's based on fungus and other things.
And what is this vegetarian?
That is the rennet, the enzyme. Yeah, and that's very precise. We only need 3 milliliter per bowl. And well, this will change the milk very quickly. And then we can start making cheese.
The bacteria.
White door, on your right hand side.
Are we on American television?
Yeah, it'll be on Fox tomorrow. Yeah.
No, you're from Canada.
We're from Canada,
yes.
yeah.
Well, then we'll be no Fox.
So that's it, and if both ingredients are in, you just gently stir it all together for about a minute with the tool, and then it can start.
Yeah, for 2 minutes, then everything is mixed, and then we can start working.
Very good. You can leave it on top of the bowl like this. Yeah, yeah.
He's
Release.
escaping the labor.
He is.
You thought you didn't have to cook tonight and still you.
Yes.
So how long have you owned the farm?
Well, my grandfather bought the farm from his nephew, so it was already a little bit in the family in around 1970. 1970. 1970.
Okay.
Yeah, and the farmhouse was built in 1870.
Oh, nice.
So we've
Yeah.
quite
Has
some
it
roots.
always been dairy farm?
Yes. Yeah. And my grandfather had a farm across the street. My uncle still is a farmer there, with dairy and fruit. He had an orchard. And then my grandfather was able to buy this farm as well, so he concentrated on the dairy here and with the fruit over there. And my uncle is still more interested in the fruit, so we specialize.
Almost the body temperature.
And how many head of cattle?
50 milking cows, and then another 20 youngsters and then pregnant ladies. So 70, 75 in total. You can stop now, that's okay. You can leave it on top of the bowl.
So how many gallons?
This is 2.5 gallons.
2.5
Yeah, it's 8 or 9 liters. We measure in liters. And that will give us like 800 grams of cheese. So 2 of these small cheeses come from one bowl. So that's still left for us to do. Yeah. Oh, now farm life is not so